Take your balloon and inflate it to maybe 2.5 to 3 inches from the end, starting at the nozzle end. We're just going to make a little basic twist, about an inch. Now you're going to start a 3 balloon push through. So you're going to want the body to be maybe 3 inches long. So we're going to make the first basic twist about 3 inches. Second basic twist to match. Third basic twist, a little tip is to kind of press down a little bit. That will make this diameter a little smaller and easier to press through the other two, although it's not crucial. So one more basic twist to match. Push it through. There's the body of one lovebird. Now you're going to make a small basic twist about 1 inch in diameter here. And one more to match. Now you're going to repeat the process on the other side, a 3 balloon push through on this side. And let's do that. So it's 3 basic twists and push one through the other. Here we go. Remember that you do have to hold this here, otherwise it'll come undone, but you can always twist it back together later. Make a small basic twist to match. And you have a set of lovebirds. If you like, you can distribute more of this to be used as a tail. I just made very small tails here. So discard the rest. And there you have lovebirds. Now, if you like, you can place it on a balloon heart, which we show you how to do in another video, linked below. But if you like, you can also create one more loop and a handle, and that will put your lovebirds inside of a little circle, which looks kind of cute. So let's do that. For your second balloon, we're going to use red, and you can inflate it pretty much all the way and use whatever you like. But here's what you're going to do. Take your nozzle end and tie it into between the 2 basic twists on the bottom here. On the lovebird, we can cut this off later with some scissors. Now, as much as you like, you can make the loop. So I'm going to put it right about there. So let's make a basic twist here. And twist this in. Make some adjustments. That leaves you with a couple of cute lovebirds.